watching. My neck is fuzzy, make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair?
Guys, so now that I look literally insane, I am going to show you guys how to get this like easy Valentine's Day look. This is literally like so easy. I took a poll on my Instagram if you guys wanted to see like a wearable look or if you guys want to see creative. You guys said wearable, so I decided to do this look because I feel like, one, a lot of people have this palette, and two, it's super easy if you're like at a creative level or you're not. So I'm going to use the James Charles X Morphe palette, and I'm basically just going to be using a few colors, nothing like too crazy, but I am going to list the shade names down below because it comes with a little plastic, but I'm just going to go ahead and like list the colors down below, and I'll probably say them like which color I'm doing as I go, but I just rather just like do all that. These are the brushes I'm going to be using today in this tutorial. This is a Kylie blending brush. There's no name on it. It's just like a Kylie blending brush that came with one of her palettes. So yeah, it's just that. And then I'm also going to be using this It Cosmetics packing blending brush. And again, no name on it. It's just like a fluffy, dense, but it's like good to get right into the crease or the socket of your eye. So there's that one. This one is the Morphe M441. This was just my favorites video. And then this It Cosmetics, again, dense little crease brush. So those are the brushes I'm going to be using, and let's just like jump into it. Basically, to go right into like the crease and everything, I'm literally just going to take this, which might seem a little crazy to you guys, but there's this big It Cosmetics brush that is like huge. I'm going to take the shade, which I believe is called Pinkity Drinkity, and I'm just going to go ahead and just like lay that onto the crease. Like literally sloppily, doesn't matter how you're doing it, just throw it on. Throw a little bit of that on so that way I have something to like blend the colors into. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is basically just taking a big blending brush. So I'm just going to take this one, which is the Morphe M441. You guys know how I feel about this brush. It's the best. I love it so much. And I'm actually just going to go ahead and just dive right into that hot pink shade. I'm going to use Skip, that bright pink, tapping it off, and you're just going to like blend it into your crease. Like that's literally it. It's the easiest Valentine's Day look ever if you want to have like pink, but you don't want to have to be like so crazily getting done. This is just like the easiest thing to do in my opinion. So let's blend. I'll see me like close my eyes. It's just because like, I don't know. That's just the way I do my eyeshadow. I don't know. And so far, you only used two colors. It was Pinkity Drinkity and Skip. And yeah, that's literally it. Like, you really don't have to do even so much with this look. It's so easy. This brush right here, and you're going to go in with the shade, what shade is it? Love That. You're going to take the shade Love That, which is like really pretty. And you're just going to put it in like your outer kind of V, I guess you would say. Also going to highlight the brow bone, so whatever highlight you want to use. Next thing that you're going to do first is before you apply that glitter, you're going to go and put the colors on your lower lash line. So I personally take that hot pink color and just drag it along my lower. So once you're done doing your lower lash line, for my particular thing, I'm going to put Diamond Dust like on my lid. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. So now that that glitter is like applied and everything, it looks so pretty and like, I love it. Okay. So the next thing that you're gonna do is, I have hooded eyes, so the glitter might get on other places. Apply some lower lash mascara, and then I'll like come back. So now I'm just going to apply my lashes. For the inner corner, I'm just going to use the highlight from the Valentines X Morphe little vault palettes. This is the one in Armed and Gorgeous. I'm literally going to take the shade VIP right here, and I'm going to put it in my inner corner, and it's going to look so gorgeous. Line them with lip pencil. This is the L'Oreal Color Rouge lip pencil, and then I'm going to use the Stila Stay All Day liquid lip in the shade Carmelo, and then I'm going to use the Anastasia lip gloss in Undressed, and that's going to be the lip combo. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you guys want to see next, or what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one.